Okay, so now we are going to see how can I do a pin printing on the T2600 MFP. I can do it from the driver. So here I opened a file that I want to print. I will send it to print as I would send any file to print, but I'm going to go to Properties. Then in Properties, I will go to Storage, and I will choose the option of Retrieve from Front Panel Private Job. I will enter a pin, any pin, so 4, 5, 6, 7 as an example. I will press OK, print. And now the printer is not going to print until I'm going there, and I will enter my pin to release the job, and this is what we're going to see now on the printer. Okay, so now I'm back at the printer. As you can see, the job was not printed, even though I sent to print, but because I sent via pin printing, so the printer is waiting for me to enter my pin in order to release the job. So how can I do that? I need to go to the job queue, and you can see here that we have one document that is on hold. This is the document that I just sent. And you can also see that the preview is not available because it's a confidential document since it was sent via pin printing. So nobody can actually see the preview. To release the job, I need to enter my pin. And now you can see actually that I have the option to cancel the job or to release it. In this case, I'm going to release the job. And as you can see up next, there is the little wheel, which means that the job is actually being processed and is going to be printed. And having sent this job via pin printing ensures me that I'm the one in front of the printer when the job is being released, and that nobody can pass by and take the job that is waiting for me in the bin.